How to make pictures fit on Instagram without cropping. At first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type no crop. Open the first website that appears. Tap on upload. Select the photo. Now scroll down a bit. Adjust the side blur if you want. Select the photo size. Now save this photo. Go back and open the Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a post. Select the photo you just saved. Tap on the resize button. Then tap next. Tap on next again. Your post is ready to share. Tap on share, and that's it. Your picture will be posted without any crop.